Good morning, guys. Happy Tuesday. Let's get ready to get to work. Let me double check here, make sure everything's correct. Wait a second. Didn't I set up the stream? Guess I forgot to set up the stream yesterday, guys. Well, I'm back now. We're ready to get going. Kevin, good morning. One second here, guys. All right, so let's start sending these out. I completely forgot to set up the stream last night, I guess. Just do so much during the day. Oh my god, I don't even have the right thumbnail on this one. What a mess. Let me try to change that. Unbelievable. Let me see if I can get it. If not, we'll just run with it. How's everybody doing this morning, guys? All good? You know what? I'm just gonna make a quick little impromptu one. All right. Oh, the beast, what's up, man? All good? Awesome. Yeah, I guess last night I forgot to make the stream. I forgot to set up the stream. Sat down now in the morning here and like, wait a second, something's not right. Something's not adding up here. That's all right. We got plenty of time. We've got plenty of time to get this rocking and rolling. And we're almost there. Gonna put the thumbnail up now. Unbelievable. I had to just make a crazy random thumbnail at the last minute. You guys watching anything specific so far this morning? You guys, if you're in the Discord, guys, you remember yesterday I talked about the spy making a move higher today. Off that, and we sure as crap getting it. Yesterday was funny, like right at 1:30 we talked about it. Oh, the beast! I scored another graphics card yesterday. Just a small one, a 1080. It'll mine fine once I get it in. All right, guys. So we got the spy today with a big gap up here. J Trader, what's up? We got the spy with a big gap up here today, and it's funny because yesterday, right around 1:30, remember I got on the mic on the Discord, and I told you guys, I pointed out something important to you guys. Right around this time frame here, I said to you guys, check this out. One big day down, two big days down, three big days down, right? And then we went back in time. One, two, sorry. One, two, three. And then we got a bounce. And then one, two, three. And then we got a bounce. Check this out. Because it's not like, oh yeah, just it happened twice. No. One, two, three. Sorry. Heard my kid coughing. He's got a cold now. Sucks. And then again, one, two, three, and a bounce. Guys, this goes on. Watch. One, two. Hold on. One, two, three, and boom. And we noticed that yesterday. And we noticed that yesterday. And I went over it on the mic with you guys. And then what did we get today? One, two, three, bounce. We noticed that yesterday, right in the middle of the day. We went over it on the mic, and I said, guys, it's not like I'm gonna just jump in here and buy calls, because look, overnight we could have easily gotten some bad news, and the market would have gone lower. But that's not the case. That's not the case, and here we are, higher today. You know, boom. Now, will we hold that? I don't know. I was honestly hoping that we were gonna open up maybe around here, and then that way we could pull in, hold yesterday's high, and then have an attempt at the gap fill. We kind of already did that in pre-market here. We kind of already filled the gap. So I don't think I'm going to touch the SPY today. I'm going to keep a close eye on it. We'll see how it acts as we're getting closer to the open, and then maybe I'll reevaluate that and look for call options today, but for a small trade, not for a banger. Like I don't think today the SPY is going to go 464, 465. I don't think that's going to happen. I don't think there's any reason for that to happen, but maybe we can pick up some calls there and see what happens. But that one's definitely something that we'll be watching today in the morning, along with some of these others hitting the scans today. BFRI, guys, is up over 8. That's the one we were eyeing for quite a while. We were eyeing that one for quite a while. We'll see what happens. We're going to start diving into these scans to see what's going on. All right. So let's clean up this SPY chart for now. Let's start looking through these scans. I'm going to go right to BFRI because that's one that's been on the weekly watch list. What a big gap up. Why did this thing gap up like this? There must be some sort of catalyst. Let's check for news. So BFRI. No news. No news. It just gapped up over that level. I would have much preferred, you guys know this is on the weekly watch list. We sent it out in an email blast. We put it on the dashboard at the daytraderchatroom.com. So it's on the weekly watch list. It's something that we've been watching for a while. And we're watching for a break and hold of this $825 zone. We're above that. We're well above that level. This thing made a big move today. I'm just disappointed that this happened now. PPSI, we're going to check on that one too then. I'm just really disappointed that this has happened now. That's all. Like honestly, I'm super the cool thing about the lives is you get to see my disappointment when I go to the chart and I'm like, come on, why did you do this already? On this one, I guess we'll watch and see if it can hold 825, but it kind of already made the whole move. It made the whole move. It made a move from 820s to $10, exactly like we wanted. So it's just kind of sad to see. All right, well, we'll put it on the watch list for the day anyways. It's on the weekly watch list. We'll put it on the watch list today. BFRI, watching for the 820s to hold support on pullbacks. Could have room towards 10 area. So we got that one there. It's disappointing to see that happen already. PPSI, you were saying the beast? I like it. It's got so many little tops in this general area that's going to make it a little bit difficult. These 1030s, like $10 area. Is this $10? These $10 areas could be in potential support zone for us to watch. Oh, so this just popped. Good eye. Let's see what news it had. So 20 minutes ago, Pioneer Power announces $12 million order from one of the world's largest mass merchandisers, expected to significantly increase revenue for 2022. Largest mass merchandisers? All right, so we got a gap. This one's definitely staying on watch. PPSI, good eye there, the beast. Watching for the $10 area to hold support on pullbacks. Could have room towards 14 area. And then I'll write a little blurb here what the news is. Announces $12 million order for one of the world's largest mass merchandisers. Expected to significantly increase revenue for 2022. All right, cool beans. So we got that one down. Rice Crispy? What? Dude, what? Man, now welcome to the stream. I love what you do, dude. That's awesome. What? Love what you do, man. Love what you do. Keep it up. I'm gonna check that in. I'm gonna check into that right now as well. BFRI. Yeah, Big Dame. We've had BFRI on watch. I think for like 2 weeks now. And the chat room, we've nailed it. We've nailed it a couple times in the chat room. So we got BFRI already on watch. We got PPSI. Rice Crispy says PBT. Let's check on PBT. What? Dude, that is awesome, man. Dude, that's freaking awesome. You have no idea. Like, that's cool. I'm a big fan. That's awesome. Glad to have you on here, man. Don't be a stranger. Swing on by more often. But that's super cool. Thanks for the sub. Appreciate it. Appreciate the love. All right. So, yeah, PBT. I've actually heard from a couple of other people about this. With this one, we're up here at really tough resistance zone at $10. We got tremendous resistance. Whoops. We got tremendous resistance here. Come on. Here. And now we've tested it here recently again, this $10 zone. But yeah, I mean, you know, if one is in this for the long term, then obviously you still have a lot of room. But yeah, that $10 zone, just watch out for that zone there. The B SOPA will get some FOMO. I'd say SOPA definitely has these small caps running around some. So I definitely say that SOPA has these small caps running around pretty strong, guys. So I think I'm going to be more focused today on those than I am on the SPY. We've been nailing the SPY for a while now, but I'm definitely going to keep eyes on the small caps today a little bit more because they made some big moves yesterday, and definitely something to continue keeping on watch. We're going to definitely keep BFRI on watch, and I like PPSI a lot. SOPA, let's see where we're at. So SOPA, remember yesterday we talked about that $15 area? Well, you know, we kind of tapped that already here in pre-market. I wouldn't be surprised to see it pull back some. If anything, you know, I might be watching for this $15 zone to maybe break and hold. You got this previous support zone here, resistance here, and now it's proven to be resistance today. Something else, like if you want to watch, I'd say $10. I'd say $10, you know, would be a level to watch. You know what, I'll drink this in a little while. But 15 is gonna hold it up possibly here for a bit. But you know what, I'm gonna put it on the back burner list. Even though I probably won't trade that one. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. You too, bro. Keep killing it. Rice Crispy, thanks a lot, man. Really appreciate that. Oh yeah, remember, like I told you, dude. Check out what they've been doing at Black Point. Trying to sell you a license so that you can do photography in there. Oh man. All right, so back burner, I'm gonna put SOPA, SOPA, big mover yesterday. And we're gonna be watching for the $15 area to hold support if it can break it. To break and hold as support for round 2 of squeeze. it could have room to... Wow, man. It really has a lot of room, guys. Like, it really has a lot of room. So you have to keep a close eye on volume on that one. It could have room towards 30, but must keep eye on volume because that would be a huge move. And you're talking about another 100% move, you know what I'm saying, to get up there. Kind of difficult. Little Cuban coffee break, guys. Hey guys, do me a quick solid. We got 21 watchers, we got 21 viewers on here, 22. Rights Crispy, dude, thank you so much, man. Appreciate that. Rights Crispy with the super chat. Thank you very much, dude. Really, really appreciate that. Yeah, man, check it out. Let me know how you do. I'm gonna swing by the channel. I'll swing by the channel here soon and take a peek and see if you got anything new up. Love watching your stuff, dude. You and oh man. Well, I'm against the press and your boy. Oh my god, I forgot his channel's name now, man. But you know who I'm talking about. Totally forgot his channel's name now. Okay, so thanks again, bro. I appreciate it. All right, so we got Sopa. That's what we'll be watching on that one. I don't know that it has in it to get back up there towards 30. Yeah, guys, if you can help me out tremendously, it would go a long way. Hit that like button for me. Remember, it's like I always tell you, it's not about egos or oh my god, look how many likes I got. It's about the YouTube's algorithm. If it wasn't for that, I wouldn't even ask. Rogue Nation, I wouldn't even ask for the likes. Rogue Nation, yeah, man. You guys, you three are the ones that I watch pretty much the most. And Solo Yacker. Solo Yacker is awesome. All right, so we got PPSI, we got BFRI, we got SOPA. We already covered the SPY a little bit. We'll go more in depth into it in a little while. We'll go more in depth into it in a little while on the SPY. But I think for now, we got some good stuff cooking here. Sorry, dude. I'm letting my business partner know that you were in the stream. I'm like, bro, Rights Crispy. You made my morning, dude. Oh crap. All right, so WVE. Ricardo, did I check? I just clicked it. Look, I literally just clicked it because it just came up here on my scan right now. Or at least I just noticed it right now. This one's up 150% on the day. What in the world? All right, let's check for news on RELI. So no, there's no recent news that I see on this thing. Do you guys have any news on RELI? Because this is a significant gap up. This isn't like, oh, look, it's up, 8, 10, 12, 15%. How cute. Let's keep it on watch. No, this thing is up 150%. And I don't see any news on it. The latest news I see is 6 days ago, Reliance Global Group CEO to participate in Benzinga All Access event on December 16. It's not like today's the day of the event either. Do you guys have any news on that one? Warrants are begin. Oh, okay. So they're up. The warrants are up 165%. Yeah, but what's going on here, guys? Do you see any news? Because I don't see anything. Not recent. Let me see here. Okay, the Beast. He posted here the new drug application in Japan for treatment for epileptic seizure associated with Dravet syndrome. Okay, okay. Okay. So think about it like this, guys. Let me see something real quick here. Think about it like this. People are definitely, this is on everyone's radar. Absolutely. 150%. It's up, well, it's now up 136%. But the point is that it's the leading gapper. Now, if it's this much troublesome to find the news catalyst on it, that means less people see the news catalyst on it and less people start to play with it because they don't even know why it's up. So that's something to keep in mind. Remember, it's like technical analysis. It's a self-fulfilling prophecy, right? Meaning that it works because you and I together have basically like an unspoken contract saying we believe in the 50-day moving average. You know what I'm saying? We believe in VWAP. So we don't have that easy to find press release right now, and that means that it could turn some people away from it. But we're definitely going to throw it up on the watch list. So RELI with new drug application. Watching for, now let's go ahead and take a look at this daily chart. This thing is up. Whoa. All right. Wow. This thing is up there, guys. It's going to be one of those that you just got to be careful with because it could have just given all the move during pre-market and it's done. You know what I'm saying? But we'll keep it on watch. I think the $7 zone might be a little bit too tight here, but 650. I kind of like 650 more, and I'll show you why. We have this top here, and we also have this open price level right around there. The open on this day was at 680s. So that kind of mid 6 level could be a potential support zone for this stock today. All right, so that's what I'm going to put on the watch list here. Really, RELI with new drug application, watching for the mid sixes, and then I'll put parentheses 650 to $7 for support. Could have room towards 9. I probably wouldn't mess with this one too much today unless it gives me a clean setup I cannot say no to for what we already went over. It's difficult to find the press release. It's already up. It made a huge move on the day. It's up 150%. Does this mean that this stock can't go up another 150? No, it doesn't mean that. Hell, SOPA yesterday went up nearly 300%. If it didn't even, I think it might have even made it to 300%. So it's possible. These things happen. So I'll keep it on watch. I'll keep it on watch. Right now, this pullback here in pre-market definitely killed a lot of momentum on it. So it's not something that I would trade in pre-market. As a matter of fact, I don't trade pre-market. So I would just let this go. I'd watch because probably at the bell, we might see, unless there's nothing else, we might see a quick surge and then a drop. It might go red on the day. And then if it's going to be strong, maybe we get that nice U shape and we get that nice red to green move. We get that nice red to green move, breakthrough VWAP, push up new highs. So RELI is an insurance company. That's what I'm saying. I can't find any real news on this thing. The Beast, you're saying that the news is showing up on the trade ideas? On the trade ideas scanners, you're seeing news for it? This is so crazy. So think about it like this. So if you have all this confusion going on around this name, you can get caught really nasty in some sort of pullback and some sort of flush, stuff like that. You see what I'm saying? All right, sorry guys, just talking to John all real quick there. Zach. Yo, Jonal's in the house. Jonal, guys, silent min over at thedaytraderchatroom.com. Guys, I'm so glad he just jumped in here because look, between Rice Crispy paying me a visit here in the stream and then talking stocks with you guys, I've completely forgotten to let you know today's day number 2 of giveaways over at the Discord. Yesterday we gave away a tablet. We're gonna give another one of these away tomorrow. Today we're gonna give away scanners and we're gonna give away a watch as a trader award. The scanner is going to be a prize and a raffle. So we're going to do a raffle, scanners. Then we're going to do a trader award. We're going to give one trader that we've seen that has improved tremendously over the course of this year and has put in a tremendous amount of hard work and dedication. We're going to give this person a watch. And then we're probably going to do some merch. We're going to give away some shirts or something like that as well. That's going to be today. We don't do this all the time, but we are doing it for Christmas. So we're doing it for Christmas week. So the only way for you to be able to participate in that is by coming on over and joining the stream. So you can join right here for free. And then if you want to join full on the stream, then you can join by going through the sign up process. Oh, I forgot also, guys, Jonah. First let me give you this. We have a new special. Completely forgot about this. We have a new special just launched last night or this morning. I'm not sure when it was put up, but here you go. Here's how you can join us. And then you can join DTC Lite or DTC Pro. With DTC Lite, that'll get you in there so that maybe you can win one of the prizes this week. With DTC Pro, we have a special going on right now. DTC Pro will get you 1 year of TC2000 scanners. So you sign up for the DTC Pro, you get access to all our courses, obviously the chat room, you get access to every course we drop, period. You lock in your price, okay? Video lesson library with nearly 200 videos. You get a free one-on-one with me, and now you're gonna get 1 year's worth full of TC2000 scanners. We're gonna pay for your scanners, and you're gonna have them on your computer. Doesn't get any better than that. I don't think anybody does that. You know, I don't think anybody does that. So there it goes. There's the link. Those are the Christmas specials. We're going to run that special all through the end of the year. Then on December 31st, once the clock strikes midnight and we are officially in 2022, that special is over. All right. Just a quick heads up on that. I'll probably talk more about it in my video recap later today. Okay. So now back to business. RELI is expanding in different states. Okay, so Trade Ideas, the beast. Trade Ideas put the wrong news on it. Ooh, that could be that. See, there's a lot of confusion going on with RELI, right? There's a lot of confusion. So RELI, I'm gonna leave it just with the technicals. Lots of confusion and rumors surrounding this name in pre-market. Watching mid-6. All right, there we go. Excuse me, guys. I'm taking a little bit of vitamins here. All right, sorry about that. Gotta take those, man. My kid's sick. I can't get sick. All right. So we got PPSI, we got BFRI, we got RELI, we got SOPA on watch so far. We have those on watch so far. And now I'm gonna ask you guys for a quick favor. We got 24 watchers in the stream right now and only 14 likes. We're building out a watch list, letting you know about all the giveaways we're gonna do today. We did some yesterday in the Discord. We're gonna do more today. Do me a quick solid, help out the stream, smash that like button for me. It really goes a long way. It goes a tremendous long way. So help me out there. What it does is that the YouTube algorithm is like, oh crap, people are chatting like crazy. People are hitting the like button, so it pushes up the stream in the suggestion feed. So if you could do me that solid, that would be very much appreciated. Very much. All right, so let's check on with the new one here, ARDS. Let's see if this has any news. Whoa, you guys really hit that like button fast. 21 likes. 22, what? Yeah, thank you guys. Appreciate it. Appreciate the love. Really do. We exactly the beast. We have to appease the Google overlords. Appreciate it, guys. It really helps out a lot tremendously. It does. Like if it was for me, I wouldn't even ask. I wouldn't ask because we're just talking about all this stuff. You know, we're talking about stocks. That's what I care about right now. But got to do it. ARDS Pharmaceuticals announces a pan coronavirus monoclonal antibody cocktail that retains effectiveness against Omicron variant, other COVID-19 variants, SARS, MERS, and common cold human coronaviruses. So it just does everything. It's like it's a one for all, right? I hate this daily chart. Oh my god, I hate this daily chart. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna keep this one on watch. Maybe back burner it, but the problem is that look, you've already made a monster move this pre-market, and now it's probably gonna be a dud. You have maybe some support. We can find maybe some support here, but then you have that 100-day moving average, like 20 cents higher, and then over that you got resistance like 40 cents higher. So in other words, what that can cause is just like a really choppy trade. Now, unless we decide to hold 4. Unless we decide to hold that level, but then we go from 415 to 480, where the 200-day moving average, it just looks like it would be a choppy intraday chart. As a matter of fact, look what it's done in pre-market. Look at this. Straight up, you get a nice clean pullback. It's starting to look like it's going to go. And then what happens? Boom. You know? And that's probably what it'll feel like throughout the day. And that makes it very difficult to gauge. I'll put it on watch as a back burner play. Days like today, coming off the back of yesterday, where you had SOPA and a couple other stocks make huge, clean moves, brings a lot of FOMO into the market today, which brings a lot of scattered volume, which translates to a lot of pop and drops, a lot of FOMO, just choppy plays. We'll put this one on watch here. ARDS with COVID news. Watching for $4 area to hold support. Pullbacks could have room towards 480s. Looks like it could be choppy, in my opinion. All right, so this watch list is starting to get a little big, guys, and we haven't even looked at Tesla or SPY or Roblox. There's a lot moving around in these small caps today, but like I said, you got to be careful because they can be, and they probably will be, especially early on, rather choppy. They'll probably be rather choppy. Well, look, as we look through this here, do me a quick favor, guys. Where is everyone from? Where's everyone from? I'll start it off here. Florida here. I am in Florida. South Florida to be more precise. Just a few minutes away from Miami. And a few minutes away from the Florida Keys. Let me know where you guys are from. Where are you this fine Tuesday morning? Tesla with a gap up here. Trying to reclaim that 910 area. Double D, you're watching the stream and you commented over here in the Discord. Glad to see you in the Discord, my man. Florida? Nice, nice. Europe. South Carolina, Queen Island. Wow, that's awesome. The Beast, man. Don't you guys have like some crazy good fishing over there? Tavernier, Florida. Ricardo, is that Tavernier in the Keys, or is there a place in Florida that's not in the Keys called Tavernier? I wasn't aware of that if that's the case. Because I know about Tavernier Key in the Florida Keys. Pass by there all the time on the way to the Keys house that we have down in the lower Keys. Whoa, far away eagle from Tel Aviv, Israel. Nice. I love seeing where you guys, everyone's from, like, I love it because we got people from all over the world watching. That is so cool. Like, you really don't think about it until you start conversing about it like this. Think about it. Traders from all over the world. We're all in here right now and we're all looking at the same thing, planning more or less the same plans. That's super cool. The Beast heaps. That's awesome. Ricardo, so okay, so Tavernier Key, dude, I'm like probably 45 minutes away from you right now. Yeah, 45 minutes away, more or less, maybe an hour at the most. Because you're just north of Isla Morada. Love the Keys, man. Dude, the fishing right now in the Keys now in December is awesome. You just need calm winds. At least that patch reef fishing. All right, so that's awesome, guys. Glad to see such diversity in the stream today. Everyone is like scattered all throughout the world. That's super cool. All right, so we got PPSI, BFRI, RELI, SOPA, ARDS on watch. Let's throw Tesla up in the mix here. Tesla. Delaware. Nice. Good stuff. Must be cold out there, Raymond. Is it cold out there already? I'd imagine so. All right, so on Tesla, I don't think I'm going to trade this. I don't think so. But you can watch for this 910 area to hold. It could give you a little move back towards like the 920s, 930s. I'll put it on the back burner actually. Tesla watching for the 910 area to hold support. Could have room towards 930 area. Yeah, man, the fishing down there is awesome. We have a house down in Ramrod. It's rented now though. I rented in the winter time. All right, so 910 guys, as you know, is this old gap entry level here. Just watching to see if we can hold that 910. You might get a little move towards 920, 930. Now let's move on to the SPY real quick here. The SPY, yesterday I was telling, everyone in the stream, guys, those of you who might be new, you can come join us right here. Boom, free Discord, come join us. Today we're going to be doing more prizes. Like I said earlier, we're going to be doing scanners. We're going to be giving away scanners. We're going to be giving away some merch, and we're going to be doing a trader award. We're going to be awarding one of our traders that has done the most, at least improved tremendously throughout the year and put in an immense amount of effort. We're going to be giving them an award. And then starting next year, we're going to start doing that. We're going to start keeping tabs on everyone that's in the stream, making sure like who's doing that hard work. And at the end of the year, we're going to give them an award. We might do, depending on how the year progresses, we might do 1, 2, 3 awards, maybe like the most improved, the most active, stuff like that. We'll do some little awards at the end of the year. I think we're going to start doing that as kind of like end of year awards. So on the SPY yesterday, like I said, yesterday in the afternoon around 1:30, I got on the mic and in the Discord and I said, guys, we identified that we were getting this three candle drop and then a pop. And I already showed it at the beginning of the stream. It's happened a bunch of times on the SPY. It's happened here. It's happened in here. It's happened in here. It's happened a bunch of times. three drops, three big drops, boom, then a big bounce. It's happened a bunch of times. 50-day moving average area, 100-day moving average area. Right now, again, 100-day moving average area. And as I was saying that, we started to break through VWAP, and then we had a nice little choppy move towards the highs by the end of the day. And then today we got a big gap up. What I had said was, maybe tomorrow, being today, we would get a move, and maybe we could get a move that would close this gap. And I would be looking for calls today. But we kind of did it already here in pre-market. So I don't think I'm going to look for calls, because realistically, I do not think we break that 50-day moving average today. Maybe the SPY says, screw you, Jesse, and does it anyways. But I don't think we would. I mean, that's just way too much craziness, I think, in 2 days. I don't think we will, but I could be horribly wrong. I don't think we break that 50-day moving average today. So I think kind of like the move is done, in other words. So I don't think I'm going to keep the SPY on watch today. I think I'm going to just let it be. We've been nailing the SPY. We've been nailing the SPY. We caught puts here. We caught puts here. We caught puts in here. I mean, what haven't we done with the SPY? We've just been nailing the SPY over and over and over again. The SPY and Tesla. So maybe today I let the SPY go. I'll probably keep it like on the back of my mind, but I'm probably going to be more focused on PPSI and maybe BFRI. Definitely. Those two will probably be some of my main focuses today, and we'll see what happens, guys, right now we have a few minutes here before it's 9. I stream Monday through Thursday from 8 to 9. So we have a few minutes left here. So at 9, I go over to the Discord. But if right now you have any questions, any tickers, charts you want me to take a look at, now's the time. Take advantage. Let's hang out. Let's talk shop. Any questions? I mean, you can even ask me, hey, Jesse, how do you trade a bull flag properly? I'll show you. Just ask away. All right, guys. No questions? I'm shocked. There's no way you guys don't have some questions. No way. I refuse to believe it. Oh, the Beast, I see you posted a link over on the Discord. Reliance Global stock, why a price surge today? Stock price in Reliance Group increased by over 90% pre-market. This is why it happened. The stock price of Reliance Global increased. Investors are responding positively to the Telecom Regulatory Authority of India releasing the subscription data for October 2021. So they added 1.7 million wireless subscribers compared to losing 489,000 users in October this year. This looks like one of those promotional press releases. So that's what that looks like. It looks like that stock is being moved around by promoters. And look, I'm not hating on that. No way. That's good to go. But you just gotta be aware. Okay, so thank you for posting that. You know what? Yep, thank you for posting. I see it there. Okay, perfect. Let me just do this. Boom. All right. Back on over here to chat. It's too early. Yeah, man. Zach, you're asking if I'm buying calls a year or two out, so leaps? No. Okay, so I'm guessing you're new to my channel. I long-term invest. Don't get me wrong. Plenty. I long-term invest. I have a retirement account, my wife's retirement account. I also have a taxable investment account, and I invest in real estate. So I long-term invest. But what I mainly do here every day in, day out is day trade. So what I do is I day trade, and then I usually get my profits, and I convert most of it into my long-term stuff. Like I'll put some money in a property I'm renovating. I'll put some money um in a stock like Palantir I bought recently that I like for the long term, stuff like that. But I don't have any leaps. Leaps would be, guys, for those of you who might be new to options or investing via options, that would be buying options that are about a year out. That would be considered a leap. Yeah, the beast, not much substance to that PR. That's why I'm thinking it's a promotional thing. The King, TGT. Yeah, that one's done a hefty pullback. Hefty, hefty, hefty. That one's done a hefty pullback here. You could see a nice little bounce back here. You might even see it come back here to the 230s if it gets some volume behind it. Definitely something to keep on watch. Gotcha, Zach. That's cool, man. No problem. I welcome all questions. Look, swing on by the Discord here. Hang out with us. You can ask me anything there. Swing on by there. Big, good community of traders. We got over 300 members there. We have a small cap moderator, super active. We have a swing trade moderator, super active. And then me, of course. So you got a good group, a really good group of disciplined traders in there, because even the members, the newest members who are literally just starting out and they're trading in a simulator, they've been showing me tremendous discipline. So it's a good group to swing on by and talk shop with. All right, guys, let me see here. I just got a message. Give me 1 second. The beast, I just saw it's a message that you sent last night on in the Discord here on the off topic section. A 1080 Ti for $761 current bid. That's insane. I sniped a 1080 SC last night, just your regular overclock 1080. I got it for 460 bucks. Yeah, 460 bucks, I think it was. I got that one. So now today my new computer arrives. So I'm gonna get this old one. Once I get the new one in and I got it all set up and situated, I'm gonna get this old one. I'm going to put it to the side. It's going to start mining with the 1080 it has in it. When the new 1080 I just got last night arrives, I'm going to put it in that one. It'll be two 1080s mining. And then I'm going to work on finding myself a third one. Once I get that third one, then this one will be full, because this motherboard only holds 3 cards. And that one will be mining with 3 1080s. And I'll just sit there, see how I feel about it all again. And, just see if I get back into it. I used to mine years ago, guys, and it was a ton of fun. I completely regret back then selling out of all my mining gear, but I'm not a very techie person, so I was not aware of how good the system I had was back then. And you would have never known that we would be in the supply chain fiasco that we are now, that you can't even find parts. So, yeah, I had like 10 cards, 10 or 12 1080s last year. Not last year. What was it 2017, 2018, something like that? Discord. Okay, so you click that link I just gave you, it'll take you to an app. It's a chat room app. We are much more than that, because we have courses and all that good stuff, but that's just a free link to the Discord, meaning it's a chat, and the software is called Discord. What do I trade? Hold on right now. I'm not going to tell you. I'm going to show you. Give me 1 second. Sorry, guys. When I look off like that to the side, is I hear my kid coughing. She's sick. She caught a cold. So I don't know. Any parents in the stream? It's my first kid. So you know how it is. Always a little extra on it. Let me show you Zach and Farouk. Sorry, man. Hope I didn't destroy your name there. So what do I trade? These are all my alerts here in the Discord section. All right, in my alert section, you see Tesla, you see SPY options, you see more SPY options. I've been trading the SPY a lot. PTPI, $2, a $4 stock. SPY options again, more SPY options. Tesla options, EFOI, another $4 stock. SIG, a $22 stock. Tesla options again. SPY options. Yesterday we nailed SPY options again for a 32% gain. And what else? What else? Because I've traded Rivian options. Tesla options again there. More Rivian options. PPSI at $8. FOSL, $19 stock. RNXT, $11 stock. These are all my alerts here. They're all here. You can come see them and you'll see all my trades. RWLK, a dollar stock. So in other words, I trade everything. I don't care what it is. I trade everything. Because once you learn to trade patterns, like I trade patterns, so that means I trade bull flags, U-shapes, bear flags, cup and handles. Once you learn how to trade patterns and pullbacks into support and bounces into resistance, once you know how to trade that stuff, the price point and the vehicle doesn't matter. You ended up like calling me. That didn't come through, so I guess I don't know how that works, Dion. Yeah, she's on that, Zach. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. Roger that. No problem. All right, guys. Oh my God, it's 9:03. All right, guys, I gotta get off this stream here. I stream Monday through Thursday from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. Okay, I don't stream on Fridays. In the future, my target is simple. We're getting 20 to 30 consecutive viewers in this stream in the morning. Once we get to 100 viewers consistently, I'm going to start streaming on Fridays. Okay, so if you want me to stream every day, Monday through Friday, 8 to 9. Help me out in the morning. Share the stream with your friends. Share the stream on social media. Let people know. Get them on over here and we'll grow together. Okay, we'll grow and learn together. But for now, I'm streaming Monday through Thursday from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. And from here now, I'm going to put the final touches on the watch list. And then I'm going to send it over to Jonal. He's going to send it out in an email to everybody and post it as well in the dashboard and the Discord. All right. For those of you who are unfamiliar or don't know how to sign up for the watch list, it's completely free. We send you the weekly and the daily watch list. All you have to do is go here, free watch list, scroll to the bottom right hand side. Okay, you're going to go to the bottom right hand side and then just put your email and you'll get the watch list sent for free every day and weekly. Farouk, thank you, man. Appreciate it. Oh, man, thank you. I earned your sub. Awesome, dude. Really, really, I do appreciate it. I'm serious. This is what I do. I mean, I don't know what to tell you. What you see is what you get. Okay, so I don't trade the opening bell, meaning the bell rings at 9:30 and you know how people are like out there hitting hotkeys and looking all cool on YouTube? I don't do that. My first trades generally don't happen until 9:40, 9:45, 10 o'clock because I gotta wait for the patterns to develop, meaning I gotta give the chart time to settle down and show me some sort of pattern. So I'm not guessing momentum. I'm waiting for a pattern and volume to show me the new trend or the new potential trend. And then I'm able to get in there with a nice clear stop loss area and clear take profit zones. Like for example, really quickly, guys, let me show you yesterday's trade on the SPY really quickly, because then I really got to go. I got to get over to the Discord. Let me show you yesterday's trade on the SPY. Yesterday's trade on the SPY was a quick, small trade. It was not a big trade at all. But the P&L was good because it was like about a 32% gainer. So really quickly, let me show you. Oh, I'm going to be so late, but I got to show you this. Because now I got to give you an example. So I'm going to show you on the chart that I have here, but I'm going to show you the alert. real quick so you'll kind of understand and put everything together. So yesterday, long SPY put option, 452 strike today or yesterday's expiration. Stop if SPY gets over VWAP. I was long from 129. I took profits at 158, 170, 161, 132. My best take profit was about a 32% gain. So I waited and waited, and in here is where I got my put options on that VWAP rejection. We had that VWAP rejection. Okay, we had rejected 23.6 fib over here, but it really didn't play much in here. This is more along the lines of a rejection of that VWAP along with this little level here on the daily. It's a very important level. So we kind of rejected that area, and then I expected some downside. Not a huge amount of downside because we had this 100-day moving average right here. So I was like, no, I'm going to be quick on my takes. And I got in there, same day expiry. So they were extra volatile, obviously. And then my first take profit, whoops. All right, let me clean this up again. I actually did a whole video recap. It's up on the channel with this. So this was my entry. This was my first take profit in here in front of the low of day in case we bounced. Then I took more off as we extended. And then I stopped out right around here on the remainder. So it was a really good trade overall, but you see how I wait. Normally my trades last a little bit longer than that, right? Just a quick heads up. Yeah, I don't even do that, man. I just wait for the trends and that's it. I'm a less is more trader. I'm there to make money. You know what I'm saying? I'm there to make money. So I'm just less is more. That's all. All right, guys. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate you guys tuning in. I appreciate you guys hitting that like button. Today is Tuesday, so tomorrow, Wednesday, I'll be back on here, 8 a.m. to 9. Remember, we're going to be doing more Christmas giveaways today in the Discord, in the live stream. So I'll see you guys there. Have a great day and good luck. Once again, thank you very much for tuning in and hitting the like.